Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Reproductive Health Care. Today we're going to cover one of the most important topics for parents and caregivers. How to make sure your baby is getting the nutrition they need to grow up healthy and strong. It can feel a little overwhelming to figure out what's best when it comes to feeding your baby. So today, I'll guide you through some simple and essential tips. Let's get started. Importance of good nutrition for babies. Babies grow so fast physically, mentally, and emotionally. And nutrition plays a huge role in all these areas. Good nutrition supports not just growth, but also the immune system, brain development, and future eating habits. It's amazing how much of a foundation we're building during these early years. Breastfeeding and formula, a great start. For many parents, breastfeeding is a wonderful option if it's possible. Breast milk naturally has all the nutrients a baby needs for the first 6 months. Plus, it contains antibodies that help babies fight infections. Now, if breastfeeding isn't possible, or if you choose to use formula, that's completely okay. Formulas are carefully designed to meet babies' needs and give them the nutrients they need to grow. Just remember, every baby is unique. So, what works for one family may not be the best for another, and that's perfectly fine. Starting solids, when and how to begin. Starting solid foods is such an exciting milestone. Most babies are ready for solids around 6 months. But look for signs like being able to sit up with support, showing interest in food, and good head control. When you're ready, start with something simple and smooth. Rice cereal, or oatmeal mixed with a bit of breast milk or formula is a gentle start. After that, try adding pureed vegetables and fruits like sweet potatoes, bananas, and carrots. These are packed with vitamins and are gentle on your baby's tummy. Building a balanced diet for older babies. As your baby becomes more comfortable with different foods, you can begin to make meals a bit more balanced. Think about adding healthy carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. For example, avocado is a great source of healthy fats. And mashed beans or chicken can add protein. Try to keep things colorful with a variety of fruits and veggies. Hydration and foods to avoid. Once your baby starts on solids, you can start introducing small sips of water between meals to keep them hydrated. But remember, they don't need a lot at first. And while it's tempting to share all your favorite foods, there are a few foods babies need to avoid. Honey, for example, isn't safe for babies under 1 year due to the risk of botulism. And try to avoid cow's milk until they're a year old. It's harder for them to digest. Avoid honey and cow's milk under 1 year. Setting up healthy habits. It's never too early to build healthy eating habits. Introduce your baby to a variety of foods, even if they're a little hesitant at first. It often takes a few tries for babies to get used to new flavors, so be patient and keep things positive. Mealtime is a chance to bond and enjoy these moments together. Thank you so much for watching Daily Reproductive Health Care. I hope these tips make feeding your baby feel a little easier and more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baby health tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help out. Until next time, here's to happy, healthy little ones.